Hello students. Students, now we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise number 12.3. In this question, in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown. Find the area of the design. See, it's a circular table cover. In the middle, there is an equilateral triangle ABC and leaving the remaining part. That means we have to find the area of the remaining part, means area of the design. How will we find? See, if we subtract the area of triangle from the area of circle, then easily we will find the area of the remaining part, that is area of the design, isn't it? But to find the area of the equilateral triangle, we will have the side of that triangle. We don't have the side. First of all, we have to find the side of an equilateral triangle. We know each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Radius of circle we have given 32 centimeter. So area of circular region, it is very easy to find. Okay, we start from here. Area, I am right just doing solution. Okay, area of the circular or area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 32 into 32. After solving this, you will get 22528 upon 7. 22528 upon 7 centimeter square is the area of circle. Now, since ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. This angle is equal to 60 degree. Now join, it is OA, OB, OC, OA, OB and OC. Draw OM. Suppose here draw OM, it is M. OM perpendicular to BC. Students, we know that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it in the remaining part of the circle. That means this angle BOC will become 120 degree, because here 60 degree, double angle at the center, that means 120 degree angle BOC. We will write here, since from figure angle BAC is equal to 60 degree, this implies angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. Is it? BOC is equal to 120 degree. Now in triangle BOM and triangle COM, in triangle BOM and COM, see in these two triangles, OB and OC are the radius. OB is equal to OC is equal to equal radii. OM is equal to OM, which is common side, and BM is equal to CM, because OM perpendicular to BC, and we know that if a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord is bisect the chord, is it? That means BM is equal to CM. Okay, so therefore by SSS congruency, what we find? Triangle BOM is congruent to triangle COM, and this implies angle BOM is equal to angle COM is equal to 60 degree. Got it? That means this angle is also 60 degree, and this radius is 32 centimeter. Now we will find BM. How we find BM? See, students, we know that the side opposite to the acute angle will be the perpendicular, is it? That means this side BM is the perpendicular because of this acute angle. 60 degrees is an acute angle, and the opposite side of this acute angle will be the perpendicular, and the ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse gives the sine theta, is it? So we write here from figure BM upon OB is equal to sine 60 degree. Got it? Then BM upon OB, that is 32, is equal to root 3 by 2. This implies BM is equal to 32 root 3 by 2. That means BM upon OB 32 root 3. Okay. Then is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter BM. Now students, we know if a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord, it divides the chord, okay, or it bisects the chord. BM and CM will be equal because of this perpendicular. O is the center and OM is the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord BC. Okay. So we will write here, since OM is perpendicular to BC, this implies BC is equal to 2 BM, or BC is equal to 2 into 16 root 3, that is 32 root 3 centimeter. Now we have the side of an equilateral triangle. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, that is 32 root 3 whole square. The area of triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 into 32 root 3 into 32 root 3, that is root 3 by 4 into 32 into 32 into 3. Got it? 32 into 32 and root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32. Then 8 into 32 into 3, that is 768. I think, yes, 768 root 3 centimeter square is the area of an equilateral triangle, that is ABC. Now, area of the design. So, therefore, area of the design is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. Clear? So area of circle is 22528, that is 22528 whole upon 7 minus this 768 root 3 centimeter square. So in this way you can find the area of the design. Okay, so pause the video to be noted down.